What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Complex, and we're back at it again with yet another YouTube banger. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button on this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, where I give you guys jewelry reviews on Shop GLD, 6 Ice, and a few other jewelry companies. And also I share some of my music on there with you guys. Feel free to click the links in the description below for this next video. I have a company that I have been looking at, and they actually reached out to me, asked if I would do some reviews on some of the products that they sent me. I said, for sure, yeah, you know, what do you guys want to send me? They said they're going to send me a mystery package, so I don't know what I'm getting. I don't know what's in this package, but hopefully it's good. Hopefully you guys are going to like the items that I am reviewing, and you click the link in the description below and you check out their page. But let's get into this video. So this package, they said that they're going to send it to me on this last Wednesday, and I actually got the package on Friday, and the package came from Japan, which is crazy because we're going through all this pandemic bullshit, and you know, you would think that the mailing system wouldn't be failing like it is in the United States on some shipments and packages, but I got my item on time and I'm very happy. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this goddamn package and we're gonna get into this thing. So this is what I got. Now, this company is called Bling Label, okay? I looked on their webpage just a little bit. I didn't go far in depth on the items that they have, but I did look, and overall, they sell some pretty decent items. Off the bat, I'm already liking this. And the reason being is because of the details, okay? So let me move this light out of the way just a little. There you go. So www.blinglabel.com. That's on the box. So marketing is already there with these guys. The feel of the box is good. The item did come bubble wrapped. I pre-opened it, but I didn't open and see what the package is, and it had bubble wrap on it. So again, it came packaged very well. This is what the box is. This is their label, Bling Label, okay? It's got that like magnetic connection on the box, which is pretty cool. And damn, this is actually pretty legit. So on Shop GLD, 6 Ices, and a few other companies that I've done reviews on, that's just a regular plain box, or it's one of those little pull-out boxes, you know what I mean? So anyway, on this box, it's a little bit different. It's got like suede interior on the box, and it says, you can see right here, it says, light up your ambitions, made for dreamers. Now, that's dope. No other companies are doing it, so why not be the first one to do it? It looks like I got 2 rings, and I got a chain right here, okay? So this is a chain. It is a 10 millimeter, 20 inch. I'm pretty sure it's gold plated. I did look on the webpage, and the items, and like inside the box, it's just like a little, a pad, okay? Little pad right here. And then empty box, that's inside. But overall, I'm pretty sure this cost some type of money, because this is good packaging right here. The items are made out of stainless steel from what I read online. So hopefully after a few days of wear, I don't see any fading, I don't see any tarnishing, and I for sure don't see any green shit on my fingers, because I'm gonna be highly pissed off with this company if that happens. But the chain, I'm gonna do a little hang test for you guys. Kind of crooked, okay? Maybe, there you go. That's straight. Y'all can see, y'all can see. All right. This is the quality. It's got this kind of clasp on it. The logo is not on this end at all. Y'all can see that. But it is on this end. If you can see it, let me move my fat ass fingers out the way. It's right there, okay? It's lightweight, it's not too heavy at all. Let me take this off. And then we're gonna put this hat back on, because my hair is looking rough right now. And then we're gonna put this bad boy on. I always be having trouble putting these damn things on. I don't know why. There. Y'all see the shine on it? Very good shine. The links, honestly, I would love for them to be a little closer, tighter. But again, the shine on it is flawless. I like it. You can see it from here. It's shiny. I think this one's like a 20 inch. Yeah, is this right? Yeah, it's a 20 inch. 10 millimeters. If I didn't have this sweater on, it would lay flat, I'm assuming. It's already laying flat right there. But you guys see it. I like it. Looks good. But all I ask for is the links to be a little bit closer. So Bling Label, if you are listening to this video, get some of these like Cuban links where the links are really tight. The welds are really tight. And I think that you guys have it made in regards to the change right there. Again, the quality is good. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. That's what I like. I don't like something that's gonna weigh down on my neck and make my neck like feel hella heavy in the back. I like 20 inches, maybe 22 the most, but that's it. But let's get into these rings because these rings actually look fire. So they come in these little baggies, okay? Right there. And you guys know that I did a Harlem Blings review on the rings, the 925 sterling silver. This is a size 10 and I have fat sausage fingers, so I'm a size 11. Size 10 don't fit me. The only thing that it fits is my goddamn pinky, which sucks. But overall, I like it. I like these kind of rings, not because they're like so flashy, but they're different. They stand out. The quality on them is amazing. Okay, you guys see that? We're gonna bring it a little bit closer to here so you can actually see the shine. And sorry guys, I'm not using my camera. I really wish I could use my camera right now. But the editing on it, I need to find a new editing software because what I have kind of sucks. But pretty fire ring. It's like a baguette diamond mixture. It's pretty legit. That's what it looks like on finger, you know what I'm saying? Pretty fire, okay? I don't know if y'all can see that. That's fire. You know what I mean? Now, again, in a few days, we are gonna find out if this stuff turns my finger green. I am gonna wear it overnight to go to sleep in, so hopefully that's not the case. And my finger doesn't turn looking like the Grinch. So we're gonna get this one, and I believe this one is like one of those little spinning rings where the diamonds in the center spin, like a fidget spinner. But look at y'all. Okay. Y'all see that? That is fire. Now I know, I swear y'all, I got a ghost in my house. I'm the only one here and some random shit just fell off the shelf. But I'm gonna ignore it. But like I said, both of these are fire. Okay? Side by side, and I'm gonna stack them. Now, Bling Label. I fucks with these, okay? These are clean. These are clean. I'll cover my ugly ass face. Now it doesn't spin as well, it does, but I mean, they're still fire. Again, guys, give this video a like, Let me know what you guys think about this company, Bling label. Click the description or click the link in the description so that you guys can go to the webpage. I do have a discount code on there for you guys that they actually gave me, which was pretty awesome of this company who doesn't even know me, but they have seen my YouTube videos and they really appreciate the feedback that I have given on some of these other jewelry platforms and other companies. And they just wanted my honest opinion. To me, I'm gonna give you guys a 9 out of 10, and that's me speaking highly of a company that I've never even done business with. You guys don't know anything about me. I don't know much about your company, but you guys are doing an amazing job with the products. Again, this is fire. Light up your ambitions, made for dreamers, okay? That's a bold statement. Shop GLD, 6 Ice, all you other companies out there, y'all need to pay attention because this is something that has good marketing value, okay? And again, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I do giveaways, so I am probably close to that 500 mark, and I am gonna be giving these tennis chains away, okay? You guys see it, these are 8-inch tennis chains. I'm gonna pick the lucky winners tonight, and I'm gonna be shipping these out. To the other guys, in regards to what I chose and who I chose for my giveaways, I believe the last 2 videos, you guys are gonna get your stuff. Don't worry, it's on its way. USPS sucks major balls, so I had to go to FedEx and UPS because I can't even rely on my local mailing company to do their actual job. And I get it, we're going through a pandemic, but hey, if other places can figure it out, so can you guys. Again, subscribe to my channel. You guys know what it is. Complex is out this bitch. There y'all go. There you go. I'm gonna take it off, show y'all that's this fire. And we out.
Hey, let's set the bar.
Notes are on the track.
Haters, please get off my tip, don't understand why y'all hate. I got Chicos, I got Migos in the trap, they don't play. Underestimate my flow, that's where y'all fail, cause it's my game. I've been working too damn long for this to fall or be played. Never been the type to hold back or ever fold my cards. Kept my head up, put the work in, cause I always set the bar. If you searching for that clout, then you must know where I'm at. See, I never take that out, I put my city on the map. This your life, they don't control you. Your haters don't know you, it's a marathon and nobody owes you. This your fight that you go through. Let them all know you. I promise that I'm coming in like Goku. This your life, they don't control you. Your haters don't know you. It's a marathon and nobody owes you. This your fight that you go through. Let them all know you. I promise that I'm coming in like Goku.